Welcome to Jari Caribbean, a place where together we explore the rich cultures of the Caribbean, mouth-watering Caribbean recipes, tropical adventurous Caribbean lifestyles, plus the natural beauty of the region as we discover and explore amazing travel destinations from one island to the next every week. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more exquisite content. Click the notification bell to receive future posts. And watch this video to the end for a special bonus. This week, we're going to review Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee and why does it reign supreme as one of the best tasting coffee on the planet. While visiting Jamaica on your next trip, take a break from the beaches to explore Jamaica's tallest peak at 7,402 feet above sea level. Jamaica's Blue Mountains hiking tour should definitely be on your list of to-do Jamaican adventures. Climb the island's highest peak, trekking along a World Heritage landscape that is the home to many tropical bird species, including the Doctor Bird, Jamaica's national bird. With spectacular views from the top, you'll see where some of Jamaica's best coffee beans are grown on the Blue Mountain Coffee Farm. It's also said that on a clear day, you can see Cuba from the Blue Mountain Peak. Though the hike can be strenuous, it will sure to be an adventure you'll never forget. Maybe you could even plan a tour with your travel company. You can anticipate the most breathtaking views as you travel either by foot or with a travel company. Some people even travel by bicycle. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is the most highly regarded coffee and one of the best coffee worldwide, and there's a good reason for it. The taste combined with the rarity only adds to the value of this Blue Mountain coffee. Wondering what it tastes like? Imagine drinking a coffee that features floral notes, a bright taste, a sweet flavor, and no bitterness. This is precisely what you will experience as a Blue Mountain coffee drinker. It is a coffee that does not need any additional sweeteners or milk for its superior taste. You'll want to drink this black. Let's dive a bit into the history and process of making this spectacular coffee to explore its rarity and appeal further. What is the history of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee? This Jamaican coffee has a fascinating history and a relatively quick one to tell. The 1728 governor of Jamaica received a coffee plant as a present. That was all it took for a plantation to be started. It only took 9 years for Jamaica to offer its first coffee ever. This particular bean is grown in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica due to the nutrients in the soil there. The earth is full of nitrogen and phosphorus, which creates a thriving environment for coffee. What is special about Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee? Part of what makes this volcanic coffee so special is that it is grown in a volcanic turf. It also has specific conditions under which it grows best, such as consistent rain and cloudy weather. Oh, and it needs to grow at elevations around 3,000 to 5,000 feet. The rarity of this coffee is affected by the annual yield, which is very small compared to most coffee industry standards. This is partly due to the small available area for the coffee to be grown and the strict conditions the beans have to be under to be at an expected quality. If you are enjoying this content from Jari Caribbean, we would appreciate it if you click the like button and subscribe to our channel. To be notified of our next video, please click the notification bell for our future posts. How is Jamaican blue coffee produced? There is a rigorous process that the beans go through when being processed. First, to even qualify as Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee, the beans must be grown in a specific area of the mountains. Next, the berries are not picked until they are ripe and red. Then they are sorted based on a floating technique, with any imperfect berries scrapped. It's then sorted again, washed, dried, and then sits for 10 weeks. Next, it's husked. examined again, and then any passing beans are shipped out. It is a very in-depth process to ensure that the perfect Blue Mountain coffee beans are exported each time. How much does Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee cost? So, how much does this scarce Jamaican Blue Mountain roast cost? You're looking at about $60 per pound. It might sound crazy, however, considering the following, the cost might make more sense. 1. The coffee is harvested on steep inclines, never on flat surfaces. 2. Only 85% of the berries are considered good enough to export. 3. There is a tiny yield each year. And lastly, it takes 10 months for the beans to grow and be ready for picking. Where can I find Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee? Although this rare coffee is sourced in smaller batches, it is supplied to areas around the world. You may have to order it online or find the nearest vendor that offers this coffee. Either way, you can easily get your hands on this delectable roast. Because you stayed until the end, here's your special bonus. A fun Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee cold brew recipe for an alcoholic beverage with caffeine. Jamaican iced coffee with rum. Ingredients: 1 ounce of dark rum, preferably Jamaican Appleton Estate rum, 1 ounce coffee liquor, 1 ounce whipping cream, and 4 ounce hot Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Directions: add all the ingredients into a shaker. Shake well until combined. Strain the drink and add to your cup of choice with ice. Add a straw and enjoy. Based on the above factors and detail that goes into harvesting, sorting, and preparing the beans, it is clear why this coffee is so costly. If you ever have the chance to grab some, you'll want to give it a try, if only to say that you've had some of the best tasting coffee in the world. Visit jari.com or click the link in the description below to download our latest free Caribbean recipe or subscribe to our blog. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our channel with others, and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we explore the Caribbean together. Thanks again for watching. Please share your thoughts on the content of this video or suggest topics you'd like to see us cover. See you next week.